57 শুরু করলাম। বুঝতে পারো চেয়ার চেয়ারে আওয়াজ যেন না হয়। ওই ইনসাইড ফাংশনটা হচ্ছে মাই
দেখ
ক্লোজার।
জাভাস্ক্রিপ্টের কনসেপ্ট দিলি আমি ইনসর্ট বলে লিখে সাইডে ফাঁকা দিয়ে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ ওগুলো ঠিক আছে, ওটার কথা আমি বলছি না। তুমি বসো। জয়েন হলাম। রিফ্রেশ করাবার রিফ্রেশ রিফ্রেশ। আরে ওইগুলো কি তুমি ইয়ে করবে? আমি কি অ্যাক্সেসটা সরিয়ে নেবো? তুমি জানলেন তো এটা 3-2।
ঠিক আছে পার্পল কালারে আসছে।
ঠিক আছে এখন ওটাই রাখ।
নিউ ক্লাস
ঠিক আছে তুমি দেখো আমারটা আমি জয়েন করলাম ওকে।
Hello,
Hello,
hi
hi
Sohini.
Sohini. Hi Dishi. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm
I'm
good,
good.
how are
How are
you?
you? Yeah, I'm good. You can hear me properly, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And you can see me as well, right?
Yep,
Yep,
that's
that's
right.
right. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Uh,
let me see if anyone else would be joining and then we can get started.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, I don't think anyone else would be joining. So
Okay.
let us get started with introductions.
Yeah.
I'll start with mine. Hey Sohini, I have been with Intuit for about 4 years now. And I work as a full stack engineer here at one of the central platform teams, which is responsible for all the notifications across Intuit and all the communications. And yeah, good to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you. Same here. So, hi, I'm Sohini. I'm currently working in a R&D team of Nokia Solutions. I work in mainly in telecommunication based project as a full stack developer. My current project is like a porting project. Previously, we used to use applet and servlet in the backend end. Now, currently, we are completely trying to transfer it to React.js as a front end, and backend we have transferred it to REST API and microservices. So we have used the structure of the microservices, data structure of microservices, and Spring Boot architecture. So if you would like to know about my project, I will be happy to tell you regarding that.
Sure, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
So, to get started, you would have received some glider link, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just a minute. I will open that. Sorry, I did not open it. I was joined, but I'm sorry. Let me join
No
myself.
worries.
Yeah. Give the okay. Okay. I'm giving the camera permission, but as I think Zoom is doing the
Yeah, you might want to stop your video on Zoom.
okay. 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 Let me check.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it is okay. Yes. Give the mic permission. Hi. Yeah, it's moving. Yes, I can. Yeah, I have joined.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
1 minute. Yeah, yeah. Next. Next. Yeah, done. Yeah, I have joined.
I can see you here on the glider.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you must. Okay. You can see the task one kind of sheet here, right?
Yes, I can see, but what is this? We are sorry, an error occurred while publishing the video and audio. Please refresh. Shall I?
Yeah. Sure. Go ahead and refresh.
Okay, again it is showing me permission required. Yes, give my permission. Yeah, it's moving. So I can. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So what you
So
can
what
do
you can
is
do is
mute yourself on Zoom.
sorry, Dishi. Sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is echoing. Can you please repeat it 1 second, please?
Mute on Zoom.
Now is it fine?
Yes.
Yes.
It's
Actually,
because
both the places we were
it's yeah.
talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. So, are you comfortable with data structures, Sohini?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will write. I will prefer now JavaScript to write the
That's
code.
fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay. So let's say you have been given a binary tree.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe something like
And
this.
okay. And
Okay. Something like this.
okay.
Right.
Okay.
What you need to do is you need to print the nodes which do not have a sibling. So in this case, the nodes that will be printed
One.
are
Only one will be the one, right? Because
no
five is
5 and
having.
1.
Yeah.
Sibling, not child. Sibling
Okay.
is
Sibling means you mean to say child of child. No, sibling means five and okay, okay, I got it. Means for 10, it should be if it here it could have been something else, then I could have get it. So five and one will be my siblings. Yeah. Okay, okay. Without siblings, I got the problem. Yeah. Okay.
so you can select the language from top right drop down
Hmm.
and you can start adding the code in JavaScript if you want it.
Can how to do that? Okay,
Uh,
selected
yeah,
language. Yeah.
yeah,
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
no worries.
JavaScript. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Loading, loading. So 10, 5, and 1. Let me think for 1 minute at least. Okay.
Sure, sure.
I can use my book once, right? If you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you mean notebook?
Notebook? No, no.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
This is something.
You can
Okay.
scribble
Scribble
around.
around.
Yeah.
Yeah. That should have a position. So this is my classroom. Now, solution is keeping notes without okay. That is this one and the contents will be something. So, so in this note, what I will do first, I will check if root is null. If root equal to null, in that case I will pass no, let me do a strict one only. So return nothing. I need to return nothing. Now the next condition is if root dot. So I need to think like from left, right? Root dot left. If root dot left not equal to null, and root dot right not equal to null, then in that case it should be print without sequence root dot left plus no without root right. Now let me complete this like so this not equal to now root dot left root dot left root dot left not equal to null. Then in that case we need to separate let's sort out. Now left is null, so I will take root dot left. Okay. Right equal to root null in that equal to root dot right okay. So I'll do one more thing also. I will take Right. Now, so this function is done. So let me think. Okay, now let me think. So now const root of no, not one. So one more I will pass 10. Then another node I will pass. No, this should be fine. Root dot left. Yeah, left equal to new node. What should I do? It's fine. Root dot left and then dot left equal to new. And that I will take one. One only it was right. Let me check if I can print in the sequence. So let me check once. Can I run the code?
Yeah, go ahead and run code.
Okay. Okay, 5 and 1 it is coming, but just let me have a look because I will check the ones that time complexity and the space complexity here. Just give me some time.
Sure.
So constructed here it is creating is fine. Now this I have created or not. If root equal to null, then it's fine, and if not equal to null, so CPU means no, it is direct only. So else if so, I'm not going to do for loop means no, it will be on only. Okay, so what I could see, whatever I have written, so here we are not performing any for loop anything, right? Just if else condition we are doing, right? So it will be n complexity only. That means big O n. Okay. So
Okay.
from that I feel ki it's fine. And space wise also I did not use much, right? So space wise also I feel it will be O n only, big O n only. Okay. So yeah, I feel this only the means what to say, this only the minimal solution that I can provide. So do you want to add on top of this meeting, like anything I'm missing, any scenario I'm missing?
Do you think we can reduce the lines of code in the if else conditions that you have put?
Yeah, that I can try. Give me some seconds. So left, right. What I can do is yes, lessons. So I think mostly what I can do, it is not equal to null like this, right? So I can remove these things, okay? So if I
Mm-hmm.
make it like this, means line I don't think so I can reduce it, or else if I'll make it left not equal to null, then give me the left value, okay? And if
So, about the recursion that you're doing,
huh,
right? You have a base condition on line number 18, which
yes,
checks if the root is null and return.
return,
Oh,
yes.
yeah. So, for your recursion, do you really need line number 22 and 23 to sit inside the if? Maybe you can call the recursion all the time and only based on the condition that your left is null and right is not null, or right is null and left is not null. You need to console log.
Uh,
Otherwise, you can
okay,
call the
so
recursion.
you mean to say like I can this and this one I can merge, but I cannot suddenly skip this full thing, right? If I will get somehow the data that root is null, so in that
No,
case
don't
only.
skip that. Don't skip
Okay.
18. I'm just saying that that will stay. It will take care of your recursion to be end, right? For
Hmm.
your recursion to end.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Line number 22 and 23 is
Hmm.
doing that if root left and right are not null, then call the recursion.
Yes, correct.
25 is checking um, if
When
this if the
root
left
left
is
is
not
there,
null,
then give me left. Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
But then you don't need to depend your recursion on those conditions if you think about it.
Okay.
Only based on the condition that left is not null and right is null,
Hmm.
or otherwise you need to console log. Otherwise,
Hmm.
at all times, you are doing the complete traversal of the tree, right?
Complete traversal of the tree. Okay. So you mean to say like this? I
Like
should.
those line 22 and 23 can probably sit outside the if. They'll always be called. You may not need an and over there. The first if is completely fine in its own.
Okay. So you mean to say let me remove this part also.
Yeah, you don't need it, right?
No, I feel. See, 1 minute. Let me just think 1 minute. Like root, it is there equal to null. Okay, if null, then I'm printing this. And if we have left and right, then only we will perform this, right? So, okay. So in that case, I need to change also something. I need to keep it here not equal to null, right? And then I can just give this part, right? Control X and Control V, and so okay, here it not
If you pass root dot left, which is null,
huh.
and your if condition was if root equal null return,
Hmm.
then it's fine, right?
Yeah,
Your
then
code was fine itself. I was just saying to reduce the number of lines that
line
could be.
up. Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
I absolutely agreeing with you. Like you mean to say like these two conditions I can merge. So first if I am checking if root not equal to null. Okay, in that case only we are proceeding, right? Now uh, after that what I am checking if root left portion and right portion is there. If left portion is there, give me left. If right portion is there, give me right. Next one, right? So if left and right both are there, then I am sending left and right both, correct? So now you are saying first only let me check if root not equal to null, then no need to check this condition. Okay, just remove it and just send it. Is it the one you are?
I'll just write down what I meant.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think there's a little bit of confusion while we
Okay.
are okay. So basically, what I'm saying is,
Hmm.
if your root is equal null,
Hmm.
right, then you return like you did.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, this is fine. Then you have these conditions.
Yeah, no, no, before that I had one more.
Yeah, just a second. I'll talk to you
Yeah.
about what I was saying. If your root left is equal null
Hmm.
and root dot right is not null,
Hmm.
basically. Sorry,
So
is that?
then you are trying to send the. Okay.
Then we just need to do this.
Hmm.
Okay. Otherwise,
Right, and this should be left. Yeah. Okay, so that if we not at all required. Okay.
right?
Yes, yes. I got your point. If and then I know need to.
Because whenever you're doing this, even if you send something which is not defined, like if you
Hmm.
send which is not there,
Hmm.
it will be satisfied with the base condition which is
Base
given here.
condition. Yes, yes, yes. So it should be like, yes, I have done some misconception. I was thinking that to merge this and this. Sorry for that. Should be written. Sorry, my electricity is going and coming.
That's okay, no
Yeah,
worries.
so that maybe light you will feel that, but internet wise it won't stop.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think this one you are looking for, right? Like this it should be. Yeah. Okay. I
Mm,
got it.
right.
Yeah. Shall okay,
Okay.
I need to run it again or it's fine.
No, it's fine. Just was a matter of concept.
Yeah.
All right. This is fine.
Hmm.
Let's look at a little bit of React, I guess.
Hmm. Yeah.
Um, are you comfortable with React Sandbox, or
Yes.
would you like to create an
Yeah,
app in
React
your
only. React only. Yeah. I
like?
was I was a complete backend developer, but the thing is, last 2 years I am working in React. Okay, so as I mentioned, like we have applet screen. Applet is a very old technology, and Internet Explorer used to have the plugins. Because of that, we were able to work on it. Okay, now Internet Explorer has removed the plugin, so we need to make the porting of our screen to React.js so that it can be browser compatible. Like we can go for Edge, we can go for Mozilla, or we can go for Chrome, anything. Okay,
Mhm.
so I have started my front end journey with React and JavaScript.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So, do you want to create a React app on your system, or do you want to work with sandbox.react.com?
If you tell me, I will create. You just need to give me 1 minute. Let me
Okay,
check.
go ahead.
My screen. I'm
You
sharing.
can maybe close the glider and share your screen via Zoom,
Oh, okay. I need to close it.
because this glider won't let you
Okay.
share audio video on Zoom, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just give me 1 second. How to? Okay. Exit interview. I need to do from here as of now, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Let me do this.
And you can come back on
Going
the
back.
Zoom.
Yeah. Yes. Let me know once you can see. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Let me know. I will close this. Why it is not going up?
Go to terminal. I think you are in your existing project.
Yeah. I'm going. Let me check if I have it or not. I think I have it. Yeah.
Mm.
You're able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah, I can see your screen. It might take a few minutes, right, to create.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
I'm opening.
So while it is loading,
Hmm. Yes.
what you need to build is you need to build somewhat like a stopwatch.
Stopwatch. Okay.
Yes, where you will have a count,
Hmm.
right, which will start from 0, 1 to increment every second. Okay,
Okay.
there will be three buttons: stop, play, pause. So basically, four components: account, three buttons, stop, play, pause.
Hmm.
Initially, it will be set to 0. You
Hmm.
click on play, it will start incrementing every second.
Okay.
You click on stop, it will reset to 0.
I
You
think
click on pause, it will
pause.
just pause there and keep the count as it is. If
Yeah.
you play again, it will continue from there.
Okay. So this stopwatch screen will be like this 0 0.
1 minute. Can you show again? I couldn't see your
1 minute.
video.
I will show it here. It's better. Still coming up. So I mean to say, if it will be
I can see your Visual Studio only.
Visual Studio only, I'm writing. Can you see
Okay.
package.json I'm writing?
No, no. I
No.
can only see a terminal which has um,
Can I have shared the whole
yeah,
screen.
now I can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's like this kind of one thing will be there, right? Zero,
Mm-hmm.
zero. Initial screen will be like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Initial
You can
screen.
just keep a normal 0 right now.
Okay.
You don't have to go to minutes and seconds, just a normal counter.
Normal counter you need to say. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Give me some time to think. I'm, I'm unable to move it up. Do you have any idea how to move it up?
Move what up? Sorry.
This one, can you see the screen? Do you have
Yeah.
any idea how to make it up? Like, uh, mm, mm,
What do you want? Where do you want to go in
means
this screen?
I want it to go up. I don't want to be here so that I can click on these things. This tab from Zoom, you can see.
Oh, okay, okay. You need to a long press on it and move it somewhere else because that does
Oh,
not go
okay.
up.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
I heard a bell. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I will meanwhile think one.
Hey, are you facing any issues?
Yeah, I don't know why. Just give me 1 second. Or else I will open. No, I have created a normal app only. From Create React app repository only I have used. So everything got downloaded properly, but don't know what's the issue with package.json something. Otherwise, I will write in that only. Means I will once again try to log into that and I will do. I thought my system it's already means installed with the global execution with Create React app. So I thought it will be easy, but yeah. Getting open React app demo package structures. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what's the issue. Sorry. I'm doing a stupid thing. Sorry. Now I'm sorry. Um, yeah, it's starting. Yeah. First time start, it may take some time. Okay,
Yeah.
let me create meanwhile here. Access. Okay. Yeah, started. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me down. Okay. Yes. Let me. What is the note? Okay. Okay, some problem with this. Let me put that. Okay. Now, so I need to prepare a stopwatch, right? So, put this on. Just a minute. Stop load. Another button. Press. is the project should be start first, and then close. Okay, and here start first. How do I do that? Yes. Okay. Start. Okay. I can use this predefined one, right? Actually, I have my yes lint enabled in this terminal. That's why it's coming. Not an issue, right? I can take these variables,
No
right?
issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. I kept it every. Oh my god. No. So let me take the column. Interval. Interval. Intervals. This is the thing. Okay. Now, if it is running, then let me set this. After this, the rest is written. The rest is written. This and then let me do set this and let me make it. Now this. Fine. And let me make it. Depending on this part. This part is done. Now, we have to first it will stop only, right? Then play and then pause. So first let me put down and play and handle play let me put it as stop. Const let me put the handle stop. Now let me const handle pause. Yes, pause. So and I'm placing it. Okay. Where is this? I followed so instructions and then let me know distance. Stopwatch. Stopwatch. Let me run it. Yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
There's something wrong, no?
Yeah, something wrong. Let me check 1 minute. Let me check. Stupid. So let me see from the first. So this is the stopwatch count. User let is for 0 k. Okay, running. Then false. Okay. Now inside the user. Okay. And giving that okay. First I'm doing this as false count. Now with respect, first handle plays true. Right. Play means once it is played true. When false means false. Then false. Okay, fine. Then
So, one
yeah.
thing
Hmm.
in your use effect where you have given return set is running as true.
Hmm.
Return within a use effect is a destructor. That means when your app is unmounting. Are
Okay.
you sure you want to keep it set to true at that time?
No, no. If I will set it true, then I won't be able to stop actually.
Okay, and to stop it, you have used something called, okay, first of all, you are incrementing the counter using set interval, right?
Yes, yes,
And
yes,
you're getting the interval ID from it.
yes,
Now,
yes.
that interval, whether you set is running as true or false,
Hmm.
it is still running.
Hmm.
Interval has not been stopped, if you see.
Interval in has not been
So,
stopped.
in your destructor, you might want to do something actually.
I think I need to do clear interval.
Yeah,
That's why it was not doing the things. 1 minute. What happened? Okay. I forgot to clear the interval. Otherwise, how it will. No, still there is issue.
that is running is still set to true.
Still. One. No. Okay. Once it's play, if I click on play, it will. No, still I'm doing something problem in use effect. So let me check the use
Mm.
effect. This use effect in that I will reset. Oh, okay, okay. 1 minute. This for play one is true, fine. Stop one is false, okay. But I need to set it also, right? Set count, it should be zero also, right? Stop
Mm.
one. So set, let me set. Pause one, I no need to do. Pause, it will be like that. Okay. Now this is one thing. And while running, I'm making it as while running play. I'm setting it as true. Okay. And this one. Let me check once. It will stop. It's coming zero. Then it is play. Play is not working fine. Why? Did I give something wrong? No, handle play only, right? Handle play. This is my handle play. It is
So
coming.
what is happening when set running is being set to true?
So this one, which one you mean to say play, right? So
Yeah.
play when it is, this is true, right? So once it is true, it will come to this my use effect, right? So it will take this interval ID. It will start, will start counting it. Okay. Now once I am returning it true, this one, okay, already it is true, right?
Here, that return is not a return statement, Soini. That
Okay.
return is a destructor.
Destructor. Yes, 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 yes. That I got.
So that set is running true
Hmm.
is not necessary actually. That destructor is called when your stopwatch component is unmounting from the DOM.
Ah, yes. Unmounting from the DOM. Yes.
So why would is running set to true help there?
Yeah. That is
That is
also.
not a return statement as in returning a component.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That will be a destructure only. That got it. But okay. Yeah. Already it is true. So why I am? Yeah. No, still it's not working. I think because why it is not working, no, it is uh, depending other functionality. It is not. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me do it. It's use interval. Then interval. Set interval one. Set count plus one. Okay, let me do it with previous count. Otherwise, maybe because of that it's not coming. 1 minute. Mm, count. Mm, then calculations plus 1. So whatever the previous count is there, it will be there, and then it is a interval and then intervals. Yeah, stop. Yeah, zero. Play. 1, 2, pause. Yeah, now it worked. That count direct value I was giving, right? So it should be that previous count value it should take, and on top of that it should plus. So once it is true, it is coming here and it is doing that, and this true is not at all valid. This true is means like why I use word means like it should be clear interval only, not that true. I need to clear the interval. Now once it is coming to pause, then this set is running is false. So at that time it will be like how it is coming, like it will be pause here, then once I will start again play, I think it should start play from here again pause, and then I can stop, it should go 0. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that need that previous count one, otherwise it will not work.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I think in the interest of time, we can kind of stop here.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, yeah. First of all, I would like to know, like, what you feel like. What are the areas I can be more work on it and get some better one. So, if you can suggest me something, I will be happy to take. Like everything, I take it as a learning. So it will be helpful for my next learning. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, so I think based on the questions so far, I mean, your knowledge is fine, but I think you can always expand further on the latest ESLint updates and things like that.
Yeah.
Even on the backend side, since your profile has come for full stack, right?
Yes. Yes.
So it's best to, learn more on the recent trends, even on the back end, right? Even with Spring Boot and Java,
Yes.
you're looking
Yes.
for the functional style of programming. So
Hmm.
you should more hands-on over there as well.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
So means
Um,
like you mean to say like Java and I need to work more?
Yeah, I think one thing you mentioned is that you have not worked actively on Java in the last
No,
few
no, no,
years.
no, no, no. I am working. The Java is constant for me. Like backend, I only means implemented everything. It was in serverlet. Now I changed the whole architecture and I have made it. But yeah, definitely I did not get time to talk about that. But that Java part also I only work. Means no one is there in my team. I only handle end-to-end solution. So this front end part last 2 years I have started. That I mean to say.
Okay, got it. Got
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
And anything you want to add in top of my JavaScript knowledge, you want to means I can actually JavaScript is very new to me, okay, and React is also very new. So I will be happy to know from your end if I need to improve something.
So from React end, right?
Hmm.
React is something that has constant updates.
Yes.
Actually,
Yeah.
so being on top of that is important because they're also simplifying our work day by day. The way
Yes.
we work with imports, the kind of
Yeah.
syntax we are using,
Yes.
the kind of state management solutions
We
that
are
are there,
using. Yes.
right?
These
Maybe
reference we I could have used in this phase. So that kind of hooks, React hooks you were saying, right?
mm,
New
React
hooks we are
or
creating.
Redux toolkit, or
Yes,
there are
Redux toolkit.
multiple
Yeah, yeah,
other
yeah.
state management solutions. So if you are new to React
Hmm.
or with JavaScript, I think it's best that you look at the current trends and
Yeah.
try them out in your own demo
Yes,
applications
yes,
so that
yes, yes.
uh,
Actually, first of all, in my project, we were using context, okay, because we need to we had some initial values which should be rendered in my application, okay.
hmm,
So after that, we were like, no, we want to update it also. So then we came to React Redux toolkit concepts, okay. So we have prepared the stored. In that, we have prepared the slice. We have exported that slice, and same slice we used, even if for here we are using use state, right? In my whole project we are not at all using use state, so we have some reducers in the store itself. We have a flag slice which is having all the flags of our components. So whatever slice we want to update, just we use selector and we will update. Like once we are opening, let it keep it true, and once we are closing, let it update it to false. Like that
hmm,
we are using use selector we are doing. Nowadays it's a new trend, like use state we could have not used, But use effect is a good trend because like we can do so many things. Initial render also we can just bring it with initial render, no need to give the dependency. If we want dependency, we can do that. Most API calls we will do here. So I love these things, means these things I am also learning and implementing in my daily life, so I can understand that views from your end.
Yeah. And like you said, right, it's not really a trend, but rather where it's required. So
Yes.
maybe you don't need state management solutions at all times. Sometimes keeping it simple with use state is also okay.
Yeah, but if you have a component which can be opened from different phase of your application, so in that case to like component I will prepare one only, right? 1 minute. Component I will prepare one only, right? But the state management I need to do it everywhere. Okay, if I will use props for, suppose I have a drop down. Now in that drop down I have one key, another key is there in the screen, same component only should pop up. So in those cases we have maintained that use state or state management in the redux part. Otherwise it was like it was problem for us, like everywhere we were unable to pass, or the value was not getting updated properly, it was false and it made false, then we are unable to make it true. So this kind of so many problem we faced. That's why we created a slice for use state, sorry, slice for this flag. And then we maintain few components state management there, which can be rendered multiple times in our application from different points.
Got it. Makes sense. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It depends on the
Yeah.
use case. Sometimes you
Yes.
need, sometimes you may not.
Yes, correct, correct. Like directly, if I'm opening, what is the need? I can simply use props, and with that, I can just means get the on close and star, means that use state name. I can just pass, and it will be done, right? But just a minute. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, so like that I can do, right? But in to recover from that kind of situation, we did like that.
Yeah.
Hope you understand. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks for connecting, Sohini. It
Yeah,
was nice.
thanks, Dishi. Nice to connect with you. I have sent you LinkedIn also connection request. Please try to accept it. If we need more discussion, we can do sometimes actually. Happy to learn from you.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. All the
Thank you.
best.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.